I love my zoom. Oh, when do I get out of the way? Cameraman here, folks. We got Stuntman over here. Got a little esophagus situation. How's your esophagus, Stuntman?
I had esophagitis.
Yeah.
Okay, I had esophagitis. But now I'm back. I got the green light to scream. So I'm gonna scream!
The doctor gave you the green light? Didn't a girl by the name of Stormy something, I'm not gonna say her other name, didn't she have esophagitis once? Anyways, he has nothing to say. Ladies and gentlemen.
It was a different type of esophagitis.
All right. Ladies and gentlemen, what we have in the background here is we have, woo! It's a pickup truck, folks. She's a 4x4.
Guys, let me tell you something. This thing's full of skeeve, but as per my commitment to the channel and the neutral droppers, I'm gonna dive in there head first and rip this thing.
He doesn't care about
Step back, get out of my way, and now get over here.
All right,
you notice on the door, it doesn't say 2500 HD, which means huge dilemma, which is something I get myself into.
I thought he was going somewhere else with that,
No, I
folks.
was not. No, I was not.
He's smartening up in his old age.
Okay, since it's not a 25, huge, 100, huge.
Oh, you mean, if anyone doesn't know what we're talking about, oh, that's the truck, folks. We love it. We love it.
Or huge disappointment, like my
Oh, hold on. If anybody thinks I'm not playing around out there, go get yourself a copy of that book. It'll change your life. I'm not even playing around. Ladies and gentlemen, without further ado, it's a GMC. Grab my Coca-Cola. Oh, folks. That's it. And it's a Sierra. Now listen, get in there and let's see what it's got. Ladies and gentlemen.
I want you to be patient, because a lot of times on the channel when we have a 4x4, try not to get hit by a car.
I'm going to try not to get killed.
Okay. A lot of times, a lot of the guys are like, why didn't you 4x4 it? Why didn't you neutral drop in 4 low, high, and in the middle?
We're going to try that.
Well, today we're going to do that. Today, we're going to cut a couple of times, and we're going to do some 4x4 destruction. It's a little wet out here, so once again, I risk my life for all you people out there. Costanza, I watched you play golf the other day on the computer. You suck.
Wow. Wow, a little less yapping, a little more performing. All right, let me get out of the way here as I get right in front. What's it got? Hold on. Woo! All right, use your mirrors.
Go ahead.
What's it got, Stuntman? Oh. I love my zoom. Oh, when do I get out of the way? How's it perform?
Much better reverse burnouts. The forward ones, hold on, let me try it again. Oh.
Hit my truck. Oh, it's waking up, folks. It's waking up a little bit.
I think I was wrong. The forward ones are good too, only because I'm a sick driver. Okay? Now, hold on.
Brought it out.
Let's put it into 4 low.
All right.
See what I can get going on here.
Don't
tramp me. Don't crowd me.
Right, hold on a minute. Hold on. Let me zoom out. Hold on. Well, I think it's got to be a neutral drop.
No, it's in 4x.
All right, so neutral drop it. Oh! You know what? You're getting some spinach. You're getting oh, that sounded like spinach. You're getting some spinach on the front tire, which I like, so let's try again. Let's see, I'll zoom in, guys. Not bad for a kid your age.
It almost didn't go in the drive, so like
do we mud spin it real quick here?
Let's do a mud bog.
Hold on. Whoa, easy. You gotta plan these things a little bit. Calm yourself down. Hold on 1 second.
Listen, tomorrow, but since this is gonna be dropped today, Sunday, tomorrow, because today's Saturday, but you're gonna be watching this tomorrow, so I don't mean Monday. So if you're watching it tomorrow, I mean same day.
You should be a teacher.
We're gonna be at Hofstra University
Sunday, Hofstra
at about
show.
11 o'clock, 12
Is
o'clock.
that April 2nd?
It's April 2nd, which is also Catman's birthday.
Whoa, all right, let's keep
Let me see if I can do a mud.
You're gonna put it, listen.
I'm gonna mud bog it.
All right, don't forget there's a hydrant up there.
Oh, wait a second.
What? Did you lose? What'd you lose? Reverse? Oh, he's back. What'd you lose?
I lost reverse, it's only a drive.
Oh, you may have to go up further because you got a hydrant right there. I would go up further. He doesn't care. I guess he thinks we shouldn't go up further. Jesus, Mary and Joseph. Listen, before you run out of being able to back up, you got a hydrant. So why don't you go past the hydrant and up there on the right?
Oh, I got reverse.
Oh, you got it back. That's his stunt skills. Now I'm gonna get onto this side. Sometimes you gotta make do. You know, this ain't the rural sticks, ladies and gentlemen. You gotta find your mud where you can find it. Hold on. You're all clear behind you.
And look who's screwing it up!
What you got in the mud, Stuntman? Hold on. Are you breaking this thing by any chance?
There's a lot going on. I'll tell you what's going on.
That's what she said. All right. Ooh! Something doesn't sound good.
Something might have broken.
How could that have happened? I don't see that as being possible. He's fixed it. Did you fix it?
Did I fix it? Would I look like Erico? I break things! Okay, I break everything in my life!
Erico's dirty socks have more knowledge than you do of a drivetrain.
His dirty socks!
His dirty socks!
Hold on a second.
Whoa! Yikes! I hope it still has brakes. My truck's back there. I'm gonna have to say that's all she wrote. Now, Stuntman, he's mad. He's mad.
I am mad.
He's mad. You know, this was a perfectly good driving truck. When we, he's mad. Now, do you want to give everybody a rundown on why? Oh, he's so weak. On why we haven't been. Oh, he's strong again. He had to prove his strength. On why we've been kind of slacking on the uploads. We've been real busy. What are we working on? Stuntman!
We're working on teaching you guys exactly what we've been doing for 30 years, living a very good life, consistently making money, being independent, and learning a business that is so easy. This isn't buying and selling yachts, real estate, diamonds and watches. It's cars. It's recession-proof. Follow our lead.
Wow. With that, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to give you more details. Oh, and hold on. He's got to prove himself on that. Oh, hold on. He's got to break this window.
I'm left-handed.
Hold on. Oh, and we are out.